We did it, everybody. It is the last lecture for today. I think today is probably the most important lecture of all of them, so I don't know why I saved it for last, but I did. Um, we're talking about relationships, all different kinds of relationships. I understand some of you are in relationships, some of you are just talking about relationships with your friends, your family. That's totally fine. Okay, whatever that means for you, that is how I want you to look at it today. All right, so today's our last day of lecture. Tomorrow you have your last quiz. It's going to be similar format to the first two, where it's going to be worth 10 points. You're going to get one attempt, and you'll have all day tomorrow to do it. All right, but it needs to be done tomorrow. Okay, so again, watch my video, listen to today's very important lecture regarding relationships and how to know when you're in an unhealthy and abusive relationship. Also going to talk about how to get out of those relationships, because it's one thing to identify it, it's another to act on it. Okay, so here's the video. Here's the link if you need it. Here's the link to the PowerPoint. That PowerPoint might help you out a lot for the homework today. Wink, wink. Here is the homework, and then we're going to turn it in here by midnight. So if we go click on the PDF, it's just going to take you to answer 4 questions, I believe. This will be your last 5-point assignment. It's going to ask you to list 3 characteristics of a healthy relationship. It's going to ask you to list 3 categories from the abusive wheel. You're going to describe one important factor when breaking up with someone. And there's one word that I talked about when a relationship goes from unhealthy to abusive. You're going to write that one word here below. Good luck.